Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Instagram tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can skip ahead in Instagram videos. Okay, so here we are in the Instagram app. Let's go ahead and swipe over to the home screen. Now we just want to find a video. So I'm just going to go to this guy, Dave Portnoy, the dude that made Barstool Sports. He's got some videos here. So here's what you need to do in order to skip ahead in videos. So let's just open this up so it starts playing. You can see this is an IGTV video, and what we want to do is open the full video. You could tap the icon in the bottom left of the video to do that, like right here there's an icon in the bottom left, or you can just click that button when it comes up. But now the video is playing, and what we want to do is skip ahead. So to do this, you simply want to tap on the right half of the screen, and it's going to skip there. You can see that it skips 10 seconds. You can tap on the left half of the screen to skip back 10 seconds, and the right half to skip forward 10 seconds. So there you have it. That's how you can skip in Instagram videos. You can also use this slider and drag to the exact time that you'd like. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.